first, it's faster. Second, it's cheaper. And third, it's more convenient. It's safer than driving on roads. And we go and take it up, but instead of driving to the customer, we put it in a drone and fly it to the customer. So when we have made the drone safe to take off, we push with the push of a button, it takes off and the whole progress is automated. It flies the route to the customer. When it's at the customer's point, the customer has this text message and can press accept. And when it presses accept, the drone will deliver the good via wire. So the wire just goes down and the customer takes the product or food.
Sometimes I'm at the office, sometimes I'm out on the field, and it's an absolutely delightful thing to get I'm hungry now, and get to order your food just to where I am at that point. So it's definitely a good thing.
When the first car arrived on the street, people were terrified of it. And it's always like this with new technology. People are afraid of it. And some people are afraid of the drone. But when people see the drone, they actually realize this is the future. This is too good to believe until you see it. So the reason why customers will choose the drone is because in most cities in the world we have traffic jams, and we have had traffic jams for many years. We're always waiting for the flying car. But the drone deliveries with food and other products will take cars off the street.
Tiden efter håll. %90 of any mishaps that we have heard about with drones are because of human error. The computers don't make a mistake. they will actually not complete the delivery because there is an issue that we would never have noticed ourselves. They would just turn around and say, no, this is not good, and we're turning around and we're going back. It's like with any other service, you're going to have the early adopters, first. Or let's say you're going to have the technology geeks or evangelists first, and then the early adopters. It goes through the same curve as any other service. So public perception is a huge thing when it comes to this. We have customers that are worried about ordering a delivery to their backyard because they're worried about the perception of the neighbor.
Go for it.